Hello friends, again welcome to our YouTube channel. In previous lecture, we have discussed about the meaning, important terms of this chapter and formulas for the calculation. In today's lecture, we will go through the practical sum. So, let's start with sum number 8. First, I'll read the problem, then we'll go to the solution. So, let's start. Sum number 8. Prepare statement showing loss of profit of Shri Dilip from the following information. His accounting year ends on 31st December. Indemnity period 4 months. Amount of insurance rupees 72,520. Date of fire 1st May 96. Net profit of last financial year rupees 49,000. Fixed expenses of last financial year rupees 1,05,000. Sale of 6 months. Sales of different period we are given. 1st January 96 to 1st May 96 rupees 2,10,000. 1st January 95 to 1st May 95 rupees 2,62,000. 1st May 95 to 31st August 95 rupees 3,15,000. 1st September 95 to 31st December 95 rupees 1,22,500. 1st May 96 to 31st August 96 52,500. Now next is sales will decrease 20% and rate of profit will decrease 2% in the year 1996 compared to the year 1995. That means there is decrease in sales as well as in profit also. In sales there is decrease of 20% and in profit 2%. Expenses of fire prevention were rupees 945. Now we'll go to the solution. First we write important dates. First date is date of fire 1st May 96. Second one is indemnity period of current year as well as last year. So indemnity period of current year is from 1st May 96 to 31st August 96 because we are given indemnity period of 4 months. So from May to August of last year 1st May 95 to 31st August 95. Third, last financial year. Our year starts from January and ends on December. So 1st January 95 to 31st December 95. Fourth one is 12 months before the date of fire. Our date of fire is 1st May 95. So our 12 months before the date of fire also starts with 1st May. So 1st May 95 to 30th April 96. Now first we calculate the lost sales. We know the formula of lost sales. Lost sales is equal to sales of indemnity period of last year minus sale of indemnity period of current year. Sales of indemnity period of last year, that is 1st May 95 to 31st August 95, we are already given rupees 3,15,000 minus there is decrease. We are given in the problem that the decrease in sales 20%. So we decrease here in sales 20%. 3,15,000 multiplied with 20%. So answer would be 63,000. We deduct from 3,15,000. So our answer is 2,52,000 minus sale of indemnity period of current year, that is 1st May 96 to 31st August 96, that is 52,500. So we get lost sales of rupees 1,99,500. Now next calculation is rate of profit, actual rate of profit. Rate of profit is equal to net profit plus fixed expense divided by sale of last year into 100. Net profit we are given in the problem 49,000. Same fixed expenses rupees 1,05,000 divided by sale of last year. Here we are not given the sale of last year, so we have to calculate it. I have calculated sale of last year, date 1st January 95 to 31st December 95. Directly we are not given the sale of last year, so we have to calculate it. See, sales from 1st January to 31st December. Okay, so we are given here a sale of 4 months in 3 quarters. So we add it and we get the sale of full year, sale of last full year. So sales from 1st January 95 to 1st May 95 given in the problem 2,62,000 plus sales from 1st May 95 to 31st August 95 3,15,000 plus sale from 1st September 95 to 31st December 95 1,22,500. Now total of all these three and we get the sale of last year 6,99,500. We put in the formula. So we get answer 22%, but in the problem we are given that rate of profit is also decreased 2%. So we deduct it from the 22%, 2% minus करेंगे. So answer is 20%. So our actual rate of profit is 20%. Now next calculation is rate of profit covered by policy. कि कितने की हम जो कितना प्रॉफिट है वो हम पॉलिसी से कवर कर रहे हैं वो. Our formula is policy amount divide by sale of 12 months before the date of fire into 100. Policy amount we are given 72,520, but sale of 12 months before the date of fire we are not given, so we have to calculate it. Here is the calculation of sale of 12 months before the date of fire. Time period starts from the 1st May 95 to after 12 months 30th April 96. This is also given in the problem but in 3 quarters, that is from May to August, from September to December and from January to April. So we add these 3 and we get the sale of 12 months. Let's see, sales from 1st May 95 to 31st August 95 3,15,000. From 1st September 95 to 31st December 1,22,500. From 1st January to 96 to 30th April 96 rupees 2,10,000. Total would be 6,47,500 minus decrease 20%. We decrease because in the example we are given that the sales is decreased by 20% in the current year. So 20% of 6,47,500 is 1,29,500. We will deduct it from the total. So our sale of 12 months before the date of fire is 5,18,000. Let's put in the formula. So now 72,520 divided by 5,18,000 into 100 is 14%. That means our rate of profit covered by the policy is 14%. Now we have two rate of profit. First is actual rate of profit and second one is rate of profit covered by policy. So our last calculation of claim amount. Claim amount formula lost sales into lower rate of profit. We are here we have two rate of profit, that is one we have calculated the actual rate of profit, that is 20%, and second one is profit covered by policy 14%. So now we consider here lower rate of profit, as we know, right, that is 14%. So now lost sales 1,99,500, lower rate is 14%. So our claim amount is 27,930. But in the problem we are given the fire prevention expenses. We have to add it. Why? Because when we claim the claim amount, we have also right to get the fire prevention expenses from the insurance company. So we add it in the claim amount. So now our total claim amount is equal to 28,875. Thank you.